a touch of nostalgic glimmer appeared quietly like a star in the night sky, gently lighting up in the midst of sparks. It was that toy car, forever lingering in his memories, as if it had traveled through the long river of time, softly awakened from the depths of memory. It felt like a magical pull of fate that guided him effortlessly to find this long forgotten treasure in the dusty corner of his home garage. Although weathered by time and covered in rust, this car still silently told stories of the past. It wasn't just an ordinary toy car, it was a warm symbol of his father's deep love, carrying countless childhood laughs and dazzling dreams. Like a star from those carefree days, even though youth had faded and childish joy had gone, facing this old companion filled with memories stirred something deep in his heart. With firm resolve, he clenched his fists, determined to restore this toy car and bring it back to life with his own hands, to prepare a grand and solemn resurrection ceremony for those bygone days. To make this passion project truly shine, he switched into full-on work mode, completely focused, working non-stop at his workbench for 8 hours straight. The hard work and perseverance he showed during this time are truly moving. As the saying goes, offering love to others is a beautiful and warm act of kindness. And being at a loss for words in moments like these is perfectly natural. Dear friends, thank you from the bottom of our hearts for your continued support and companionship. rate this young man's craftsmanship out of 100? If you love this kind of craftsmanship too, share this with others so more people can see it. We'll be sharing more creative works every day. See you next time, and thanks for watching.